Yes, good evening. So we worked on a banking app. My group and I we worked on the banking app and I'm going to do the presentation of the features that we actually worked on. Actually, this is the app. We just focused on the login and the registration and of course the interface, the protected interface for the customers and for the user and for the administrators. So normally this is opening an account is where we do our registration and signing is actually where the signing takes place. So right here, I already have some signing details since we actually got to the system. So I'm just going to do that. Just going to use that for presentation sake. So this is my account. Accounts has a balance of about that amount that is 2,700, which I'm going to use to store a lot of things. And of course, this account number of that account and the various transactions are found here. The same transactions that we do in the account. And of course, we equally have the account details like this and various transactions will flow under it. We equally have a particular feature to transfer funds out of that account within the bank and externally, which is out of the bank. And of course, we equally have the feature to request for loans. And there is also a section for the account statement. And of course, there's a setting page where the user can actually set their accounts on the website based on their preferences. So actually, we request for loans. These were loans that while we were working and testing, we requested for. So these are the line pending approval from the admin where they are. And the transfer also, the transfer can be done externally or internally. So we have a transfer, we can say that transfer can be done externally from an account like this one. Let us say to this account, and of course to this name. Let us say we want to do a transfer of 10,000 francs. Actually, we initiated a transfer is now done. Of course, we can see that 10,000 francs was subtracted from our balance, from the account balance. So the transfer is actually working. Now, under accounts, we have some accounts here, especially this account, and we could credit the account, but that one will be pending admin validation. We could also create new account like a saving account added to this account. So those are the features for the user. I'm going to pause this video and when I come back again, we'll look at the features for the admin. I'm going to work out and then working back with prevention so that can look at the features for it. So I'm going to proceed to normality. Of course, I'm going to go to back again. So I'm logging in as the admin that account, and as you can see, this is the admin dashboard. Everything that's taking place in the account is found here. The total customers, pending applications and schedules of loans, active loan account, and those that are not active, being debited every month. And of course, the recent applications are found here. The system alerts for the new system is found here. So we have a section for customers. All the customers in the system is found there. We have a section for all the loan applications for the admin to approve or reject. All of them are found there. So I can go ahead and then approve that particular aspect of the loan and I can reject. So those ones are there. We equally have a section for transactions. All the transactions taking place in the whole accounts, they are being reflected at the level of the admin there. And of course, we equally have a section for reports. Actually, how many loans were taken and all that. The data section for reports is also found the audit log. Equally have audit log that talks about system activities, all the activities taking place in the system, the profiles, who is doing what with the system, who is updating the profile, who is deleting and all that. So everything is actually found in this section as well. And security also, we try to also do this. We try to manage two-factor authentication, even though we did not implement automatic session timeout. We actually also decide that we do not want automatic session timeout for the whole system. We equally have IP address while listing for security reasons. We have some IP addresses that the group of them that we want to whitelist. We can actually do that. But we did not equally test these functionalities. There are some that we tested and there are some that we did not go ahead to test. But we thought of them as well. So we also have enhanced audit logging. If we want down to the granular details for the system, we can also set that up. And then security events, the things taking place in the system. So we had something small as that, like failed logins, password change, and the rest. So those are the using things that we also have at the level of the system. So this is the admin dashboard. The admin is able to to do all these features, to go through all these features that I talked about. I was just doing the presentation of the features. So right here, this part is for approval and rejection when it comes to opening accounts. So we want to open accounts. We want to know, for instance, who is opening the accounts. Is it a business account? Who is the owner? And all that. As an admin, we could decide to approve or reject that that account, and everything will be blocked at that level. So we like this, and just from approving it, and of course it's now approved, so we had something like that. And of course, we equally have a small functionality here where the admin can really add the user to the system without going through the necessary permissions that the user needs to verify their email and the rest. So the admin have the details they can directly input them into the system and add that customer to the system. So there's also that possibility at this level. So under transactions, we equally have the transaction log, as you will see, and then we try to make sure that we will equally export these transaction logs, as we can see here, into CSV that maybe audit later. So we did something also in that direction. So the project is on GitHub. The project is on GitHub, and we've submitted the documentations and everything. The database, step by database, and all the project deliverables are there. So I'll just end the video right here and